Studio!
And in the Spanish version, Mateo 5:4, Bienaventurados los que lloran. And in Spanish version, Mateo 5:4, Bienaventurados los que lloran, enlutados, porque los recibí. See Bible verse, Memorization Challenge, D230. Maganda yung Bible verse of the day. Matthew 5:4. In Tokusin version, or in Papua New Guinea language, Matthew 5:4. Blessing is tap long or busat, iso im sorry. No manem all by, kisim bel easy. Matthew 5:4. And in the Spanish version, Mateo 5:4. Bienaventurados los que lloran, enlutados, porque los recibirán consolación. Mateo 5:4. And in Tagalog version, Mateo 5:4. Mapapalad ang nangahapis sapagkat sila'y aalipin. Mateo 5:4. King James Cuisine Bible. Talk thank you, Igulong God. Spanish Sagradas Escrituras Version Antigua. Gracias a Dios. Salamat po Diyos. Thank you to God. Share the love.
Good day, good job, perfect. KNC Bible Verse Memorization Challenge. Day 230. Omega the Bible Verse of the Day. Matthew 5:4. In King James Version. Blessed are they that mourn, for they shall be comforted. Matthew 5:4. Thanks be to God po. Share the love.